fry the garlic, ginger, and onion. What else?
Salad.
Shallot.
Salad.
Hazelnut, tomato,
This bay leaf,
bay leaves,
lemongrass.
and lemongrass.
Put little bit.
Then put water.
Mana kita kata kasih ciri.
I
Okay.
then put the fish. Now got turmeric. Yeah, that's why we want to yellow.
This turmeric number 1.
Yeah,
Yes, correct.
turmeric.
The color.
Mm.
Can cover. This one. Cover. You mix more.
What is the name?
Huh?
What is the name that just now?
Steam. No steam. Yeah, steam fish.
Yeah, steamed fish in your language.
Language.
Yeah.
Ungkap.
Ongkap.
Ongkap.
Yeah, ongkap. Indonesia language. Indonesian.
Ikan ungkap. Ikan is the fish.
Yes.
You know.
Ikan ongkap.
Yeah.
Ongkap is
Ungkap.
steam.
Yeah.
Ongkap. Ongkap.
This you have.